If Gamma is not loading, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you a few quick and easy fixes that can get it working again. Whether Gamma is stuck on the loading screen, refusing to open properly, or just spinning without ever finishing, these simple steps can usually solve the problem in just a few minutes. And if this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful software tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, start with the simplest fix. Refresh the page. Sometimes Gamma just needs a quick reload to clear a temporary glitch. If you're on a computer, press the refresh button in your browser, or use your keyboard shortcut to reload the page. If Gamma still does not load after that, move on to the next step. Now check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can easily stop Gamma from loading correctly. Try opening another website to see if the internet is working normally. If other sites are slow too, reconnect to your Wi-Fi, switch networks, or restart your router if needed. A stable connection is important, especially for web-based apps like Gamma. If Gamma is still stuck, open it in an incognito or private browser window. This is a great way to test whether the issue is being caused by extensions, saved cookies, or browser data. In private mode, most browser add-ons are disabled by default, so Gamma loads with a cleaner setup. If it works there, the problem is probably related to your regular browser session. Next, clear your browser cache. Over time, cached files can become outdated or corrupted, and that can cause Gamma to freeze or fail to load. Go into your browser settings, find the Clear Browsing Data option, and remove cached images and files. You do not always need to delete everything, but clearing the cache often fixes loading problems fast. After that, close the browser completely and reopen Gamma again. If Gamma still won't load, try another browser. For example, if you're using one browser already, switch to Chrome, Edge, or Firefox and test Gamma there. Sometimes the issue is specific to one browser and has nothing to do with Gamma itself. A different browser can help you quickly confirm whether the problem is local to your device or more general. And if none of those steps work, the last thing to do is wait and try again later. Sometimes Gamma servers may be having temporary issues, or there may be a brief outage that you cannot fix from your side. In that case, give it some time and then return to the app after a while. Often, the loading issue disappears on its own once the service is back to normal. So to recap, if Gamma app is not loading, first refresh the page, then check your internet connection, try incognito mode, clear your browser cache, switch to another browser, and if needed, wait and try again later. These steps can help solve most Gamma loading problems without any complicated troubleshooting. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick fixes and how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.